says she's bad for me. She never sees the sunlight, always living for the nightlife. She won't listen when her daddy says. She's like a fix to me, my early morning champagne, my New York City masquerade. She's got a grip that I can't escape, and it feels like she don't got time for you, racing to an early grave, and she don't want to be saved. She's living bad in the good life. She's high as heaven, drinking 7 and 7. I'm bowing down to the queen. She's got her legs wrapped around